Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome back to day 15 of Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is homemade. Let's flip a bit through my journal and find a page that would be the perfect background for today's prompt before diving into today's journaling session. For today's prompt, I had to think about it a little bit before I came up with what I wanted to include in today's spread. I thought about the homemade marmalade we did the other day, and I thought that would be perfect to include in today's journaling spread. So here I'm drawing a little jam or marmalade glass with a cute little doily on top to include in today's journaling spread. Just going with something very simple and going with the first idea that came to mind. I'm trying to not stress myself out too much for this challenge and just go with the flow and create something daily that is kind of easy and aesthetically pleasing. That's always something that is very important to me in my journals, that it is quite nice to look at. So here I decided to do kind of a gingham pattern for the little fabric on top of the marmalade jar to give it those cottagecore or rusty farm vibes. How's your Junk Journal July going? What was your idea for homemade? Can't wait to check out everyone's journal spreads for today. I hope you are enjoying spending some creative time with me today and you enjoyed this and my other Junk Journal July videos. For me it's really fun to take part in this challenge and to create something daily. hope you are all staying creative and you have a lovely day. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, that would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey.